Yo, Map here, Map Investments. What's going on? Um, Hope you're all doing good. 83 fills today. Um, got the futures here on the left hand side. Probably Dixie's down. Dixie's down 17. Dixie's been holding its own. The dollar at 91. Bitcoin up 145. Oil had a nice day. It's at 55 bucks a barrel. You got the S&P up 12 and a half. We're back in rally mode. Um, IBD had us under pressure, but looks like after today's bump and after our earnings of Amazon and Google, that will continue to trend higher. Gold's up 7. Um, Small caps are flat. NASDAQ's up 50. Dow Jones up 50. Nat gas had a nice day. There's colder weather in the Northeast, so we're up to 280 on the nat gas. Platinum, palladium higher, silver higher, but silver got destroyed today. It was down over $3, and now it's bouncing back a little bit. It was about under 26.50. VIX is a little red, but VIX got crushed today, down to 27. We got a grain market open, and corn a little bit down, soybeans down a little bit, wheat down a little bit. 10-year down 2 ticks and 30-year down 5 ticks. Some of my biggest winners today, I had anvs up $6. ANVS, and I think it was, you can see it here, big bar. I think it was on the back of SAVA. SAVA had a huge day, up $32 to 55 bucks. They had some good information in regards to I want to say Alzheimer's. It's trading higher from an open label study of some fulum, whatever you call it, drug for Alzheimer's disease. So it was up $32. $32. It's kind of funny. I put a trade in SAVA yesterday because it hit my scan, and I read an article on it. And here, I'll show you. Hopefully it pulls up and it don't lag. I put a couple trades on this bad boy yesterday, and they'll probably go to the well, you can see it right here. I have a couple put credit spreads, the 45 right here. So those will probably go to the graveyard. I'll probably make max profit on these. Should be the two of them. So probably about 150 bucks more or less that I'll make on that. My order history is not pulling up, but anyways, I think that NAVS was up because of that, because of correlation of SAVA. Here are my orders. Filled 2-1 and 2-1. Actually, I had a calendar. So here's what I've been doing. I had a calendar in SAVA, and I saw SAVA was moving, and it was way out of the money. And I bought this one for $1.39. I was still able to make almost 50 cents on this calendar. And then I went ahead and sold the put credit spread because the IV had expanded, and I did 2 of them. So I should be able to keep this $200 on SAVA's breakout. This one you should keep your eye on. This company has a lot of promising stuff for it. So an IV 68%. So on a pullback, maybe do more credit spreads. So so that stock ANVS was big for me today because it has correlation, I think, with that one. Let me see if they put any news here. Didn't have any news. Didn't have any news, but yes, you see they developed therapies for Alzheimer's, so might have been a correlation play there. My next big winner, which I've done a video on, is NCTY. It's a China name. I added some. I usually add when I see it acting well. It was up okay today. Still lacking some volume, and these guys are subscription-based online gaming services. Company developed games via the9.com. So, and the Chinese like to play a lot of video games. This had a high here of 39 and had a high here of 27. So, thinly traded, but I'm in it. It's acting well, and I'm doing okay, and I'm happy with it. It's a little bit of short interest, and it's got 9 million shares. So, in this one, it's acting well. NM is a shipper. I have options, doing well. NM. Let me put up here. CVLB is still one of my biggest winners. It was down $1.40 today. Kang was down a little bit. I think Kang does, not mistaken, they're a software platform for they provide automotive transaction sales platform. Now everybody's playing Neo. Neo was down to 55, and Lee was down to 30, and XPEV. These are all car makers in China. This was down to 47. Obviously, these are car manufacturers, but you need infrastructure to sell them. So maybe Kang is one that, you know, provides that service and financing and stuff like that. So Kang is acting well for me. I'm in Kang. What else we got here? I already talked about this one. Alto was Pix. I've been in this one forever. It's acting well. JNCE is Biopharma. It's been acting well. If you want to write these down for your profile, it's a bioplay on cancer and tumors. Here's resistance 1172. We're at 1282. We got earnings at the end of February, but you know, with bios, it's hit or miss. So keep it small, nothing crazy. Copen, I really like this name. It's acting well for me, and I like this name immensely. I can't recall if I did a video on them before, but you can see here, big volume, biggest volume day, 14.6 million shares, breaking out on huge volume. And I mentioned it to some of my friends today. I like this stock. They entered an agreement to develop with a major U.S. medical technology company to develop wearable display system for surgeons, and they're getting partnerships all over the place. They did a deal with Panasonic. Wainwright has a buy on them, and I think that we're going to see this stock at expected move is $4. I think we'll see a stock at 10 in no time, easily. So keep your eye on this one. I like this. I like this stock. I don't know if I've done a video on them, but I really like that stock, and it's trending good for me. YI, Chinese pharmaceutical, and Reefer, Research Frontiers. I have a calendar, which I did a video, and that's the beauty of these calendars. I paid 5 cents for this calendar spread. I'll go to the order so you can see it. And I knew that the day that I did it, that I was like, this is a no-brainer. Look at it right here. I filled this calendar spread. I think I did 20 of them. No, I did, what is it? I did 10. I did 10 of them. So I did 10 for 5 cents, so 50 bucks. And look at the return. 50 bucks. Look at my return right here. $325 right now. 650% return on a $50. Let me see, opposite order. Right now I can get 37 cents for this deal. So calendar spreads aren't sexy, but they work. They really work. So keep that in mind. Next one has climbed up is GameStop. Now GameStop, if GameStop crashes, I will do good. Now the deal with GameStop is I haven't most platforms don't let you open options in them. So when GameStop was climbing, you can see here I bought some stock messing around, just one share just to mess around. But look at these calendars. I did a calendar spread here for 75 cents, and I still have the 13 put, and I did another one for $1.25, and I still have the 25 put, because what I did was I closed the short one. I just want long exposure. Right now you can't open options in GameStop. You can only close out options. I don't know on other broker accounts if they let you, but hopefully I get paid. If GameStop crashes, I'm gonna get paid. I have the 25 and the 13 put, and the rest are just, creeping up. These are all my profits here on the right hand side. I had another good day today. Let's go back to the P&L for the day. What it was, another one. EBON acted a little bit better, up 21 cents. So that helped me out. I got 1,000 shares there. Endo Pharmaceuticals, I have the 8 calendar spread. And right now I'm up 137. It was up 312 today. QDEL, I have a Iron Condor. And let's see what else. Coda is a small, tiny play. I don't want to get too long on this video. Let me see where we're at. 11 minutes. I'll do Coda, and then I'll do a couple more videos on some earnings. I did earnings on Amazon and Google, so you can see what I did. So here's Coda. These guys have 3D sonar capabilities underneath in the ocean. So this is an infrastructure play. They have huge technology to help you fix bridges. So if they're going to repair bridges and do infrastructure in this country or fix ports, this is a play you might want to look at. But you can see there's some buying going on here. Thinly traded, mind you, it's a thinly traded stock. They only have 10 million shares. 7% of the flow is short. So maybe we can Reddit them. So yeah, Coda. I got a little bit of Coda and it acted well today. It was up nice today. And the chart looks pretty. Look at the resistance here, 675, and we're at 814, up a buck. So why not see 15, 19? Why not? They're profitable. All right, let me cut this video, and like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and just comment below on anything else, and I'll do some other videos. Good night.